mga kabayan ko dyan sa Pilipinas, kamusta kayo dyan? Are you a green card holder but overstayed outside in the US for over a year? Don't you worry, there's a visa that you can re-enter in the US, like a returning resident visa. That's a SB1 visa. So, I'm gonna show you step by step if how to do this. Then, let's get started. Ito po yung form na gagamitin natin for SB1 visa. So, fill upan lang po yun natin yung SB1 visa form. Like your name, last name, family name, if you have middle name. Then, lagyan mo na din. Tapos, yung address, kung saan, like, for example, Cebu, then Cebu City, then date of birth. Yeah, Cebu City, Philippines. Yeah, example, April 2025. Then what year? Example, try 1990 there. And then if you're married, you can put your husband name there, and then date of birth, and what you're a citizen. Then you can add your family members, so you can put a full name, like for example Christina Reyes. Then what's the relationship, like your mother, let's say mother, resident status, or if she's a US citizen or permanent resident, like that. Then place of residence, example New York. Yeah, New York. Tapos yung DHS or alien number, you can find that in your green card. See there, USCIS number. So there's 9 numbers and 1 letter. Like A, for example, A 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. And the immigration category, like what? Or K2 or K1. Adjustment of status, you can find that in the bottom of your green card. You see the arrow there. Okay, on the back, number 10, what continuing ties have you maintained with the United States? For example, I have family, kids, I have jobs, I paid taxes, or I have a business, or blah blah blah. Okay, number 11, reasons for not returning to the United States until the time of this application. For example, like you have a surgery or you're pregnant, make sure it's a valid reasons, show them proof to like x-ray or hospital bills, etc. Then number 12, list below all the periods that you have lived outside in the United States for 6 months or longer. Like maybe if you go to like Thailand for 2 months, then like the Philippines for 3 months. Yeah, you just need to write it down there. And don't forget to sign and the date. Interview takes only 10 to 15 minutes or less. Sasabihin nila if approved or not approved. So if you're approved, congrats! Ibigay nila yung returning resident or SB1 visa letter of approval same day lang. After that, you can make an appointment doon sa St. Luke's Medical Center for medical exam and vaccination. Medical fees is 9,583 pesos. So only one day for medical if you go early in the morning. Complete form DS-260 online. I'll put the link on my description. Click that one, then you need to put your case number. You can find your case number on the SB1 letter approval. Ito po yung sample ng DS-260 online. You can't print this out. You can do this online only because there's 111 pages. Step 3. Make an appointment to U.S. Embassy Manila for interview. Then, if nakakuha ka na ng appointment, then mag-email sila for your confirmation. Then, you can print it out. So, during the interview, bring the following. Like, appointment confirmation, DS-160, passport, 2x2 photos, white background, 2 pieces, print of St. Luke's medical records, and green card. So good luck. And the time frame is I think it's 3 to 6 months. They're gonna mail your new visa in your passport.